The G1 project, Global IT Skills, first group project of the semester in my group is myself, Jake Alton, Shane McCarthy, Chris Millenholm, Ian Thome, and Paul Wilson. Why successful teams use product management tools? First of all, they're clear. It helps organize a plan. That way, the team can collaborate on their separate ends and it all comes together to make a complete final project. Two, defining everyone's roles eliminates confusion by everyone knowing what they need to do. It helps the process flow more easily and allows for more collaboration without more than with it without one person carrying a majority of the load. Three, well-defined goals improve team effectiveness. Four, defining a communication plan to keep your team aligned and focused because without communication, it's very, very hard to get things done. And five, project management tools to help increase efficiency. So, our project kickoff agenda, we have the project, which is study abroad project. We have our date, which is the 26th of August. Participants, as I mentioned earlier, and our project description is to form a global educational consulting team to virtually initiate, plan, execute, monitor, control, and deliver a virtual study abroad program. My personal user story, I'm a student who is looking to do a semester abroad. The country I've decided to go to is Germany. I've always been fascinated by cars, and they have some of the best manufacturing for cars in the world in Germany. I want to learn how their computer science and other forms of technology influence the industry and the effects it has on the environment. Our communication strategy is email and GroupMe. Summary: we have developed ideas on individual user stories to decide which country will provide multiple opportunities for sustainable development. And we're going to go through our goals in this next slide. So, one of the goals was project management tools. We use the Fibonacci sequence, SMART goals, prune, the product tree, and the sailboat. So the Fibonacci sequence we used to determine which country would be best off of our user stories. We all shared our personal user stories and asked questions to decide which country gave us the most opportunity to go in depth with that country on their AI systems. Second one is our SMART goals. They need to be specific, measurable, achievable, result focused, and time bound. So we have to select upon agreed destination, make a set date to have the destination selected. Um, do we have enough resources and information to have a good project? Can the task be performed on time? The destination needs to be picked by August 28th to complete the project by the end of the class. So the pruning the product tree, um, the first branch is the current state. We need to decide on a country and create a plan for the final project. Then our next tier is the decide on the SDG, complete final project, and conduct research. Our sailboat, some things that would hold us down are can agree upon a country or topic and come up with a baseline plan. Some things that will help push us forward are productive team meetings and consistent team communication. And here are our citations.